please go down on your right. So once again, Daria Stepanova from AIRMO. As you can see, there are girls in very techy startups, so don't say that there are none. Second person that is going to come and pitch, I'm calling Pamela Pardini from the startup BIONIRS. And a warm applause, please.
Hello, my name is Pamela Pardini. I am the CEO and co-founder of BIONIRS, and a startup born with the mission of improving early breast cancer diagnosis. Statistics show a really high number of breast cancer cases. 1 in every 8 women will develop this terrible disease. And 30% of the diagnosis is late. This is a huge problem because early diagnosis is the key for survival. Also, in this whole process, many women need to undergo breast biopsies, and 80% of them are found to be not cancer. This is a very invasive procedure, and many women undergo this, so maybe you or a friend have passed through it. So we ask the women how do they feel in this whole breast diagnosis process, and they share with us some emotions. Mainly this year, maybe you find identify with some of them. So to address this problem, we developed MammoRef. It's an imaging device for lesion classification. It's a comprehensive solution to reduce the number of biopsies. What makes our proposition of value? We use light, so from there we can get functional information, so we can distinguish between malignant lesions and benign lesions. Also, it is employing no radiation, so it can be used anywhere, in any place. The simple design makes it low cost, so this can help to access to breast health. It is non-invasive, and it's designed for the comfort of all the women. And it also can be used in dense breast. All of this makes our tool a very versatile one that can be used in any environment, and also in any stage of the protocol of breast cancer diagnosis. For diagnosis, initial classification, but also for follow-up and for screening. The market is huge, and those technologies that are based in innovation and non-invasive are expected to present the biggest growth. We have so far patented the idea, we have built 2 prototypes, we have performed successfully exploratory clinical trials, and we are working on an AI reconstruction algorithm, and the next stage is the development phase to move to the medical product, to get launched. We accomplished this with this great team. We are a very scientist team, but it's a great team that works every day to get this tool to the women, to help all of you. And also, we have our partners, our investors, and our academic partners that work with us. So thank you for your attention, and you are more than welcome to join our mission.
What a timing. Amazing. I'll let the jury members ask their questions.
Perhaps first question to understand, usually you have a scan, and if you're worried, then you're going to have an invasive procedure. How does your technology embeds both at the same time, providing a consistent result?
Yeah, 10% of the women that go under primary screening require biopsy to make sure if they have or not cancer. 80% are unnecessary. Our technology, we have tested in a reduced number of women, but they show 100% efficacy so far. And the idea is to reduce this number of biopsies. The biopsy has a high cost, and our technology is very low cost, so we want to reduce the cost of the healthcare system, but also to reduce this very invasive technology, very invasive procedure for the women.
You said you have 100% accuracy so far, so no false positives, no false negatives?
No, it's a very reduced number. We are looking for gather more data.
Just a question around the adoption barriers. What are they, if there is any, and how do you overcome them?
Well, the adoption of a new technology in medicine is a very challenging activity. And also, precisely more in breast cancer is more challenging, but what we are doing is partnership with clinics and with doctors and with start doctors to adopt our technology.
So it's a lot of education, or
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
thank you.
In terms of cost, how does your solution compare to the historical approach, knowing that depending on the regions, the financing of medicine differs? So how do you manage to get on the right positioning for being reimbursed, and how do you optimize both?
Great. That is a great question. We are an early stage startup, so we have to work a little more on the reimbursement. But we are talking that this technology that overcomes the breast biopsy is 10 times cheaper than the biopsy, and where each country has their own healthcare system very different, so you have to analyze in each situation. But this will reduce the cost highly, and also invite the women to not avoid this procedure of breast cancer detection because of the pain and the anxiety that this produces.
30 seconds left. One last question.
Just a question about the market that you are targeting for now. It's Argentina, or you will start in the US?
Yes, we want to start in the biggest market, US or Europe, because this is a global problem. We want to start in the bigger, so the adoption is better and faster.
But you have started to prototype and to partner with clinic in the US or Europe?
No, in Argentina. We are trying to expand to the US and or Europe, so we are inviting to China if you are interested.
Pamela, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pamela. So it was Pamela Pardini from BIONIRS. I invite you to just have a seat there. All right, someone told me something in my ear, so I need to apologize. Oh, Julien David, we know each other. I said something wrong. It's Iris, your company. So this is our partner. Once again, thank you. That was just me apologizing. And now we come back to our third female entrepreneur. I'm calling on stage Alyssa Emmungil from the company HappyPal.